Peace and love to everyone. Isis Love here, certified hypnotherapist, here to empower people to achieve financial freedom and abundance through mindfulness and hypnosis. So today I want to talk a little bit about self-hypnosis and how it can help you achieve your goals. You see, self-hypnosis is a powerful tool that can help you reprogram your subconscious mind and create positive change in your life. Whether you're looking to lose weight, reduce stress, or boost your confidence, self hypnosis can help you get there. Now, with just a few minutes a day, you can use self hypnosis to visualize your goals and tap into the power of your subconscious mind. By accessing the subconscious mind, you can create new beliefs and patterns that support your goals, making it easier to achieve them. And the best part is, self hypnosis is easy and anyone can do it. So, with my free ebook, you'll learn the basics of self hypnosis and how to get started on your journey towards achieving your goals. So, if you're ready to take control of your life and start achieving your dreams, I want you to go ahead and download my free ebook today on self hypnosis. Let's do this together, all right? Don't forget to save for later and share with a friend. Also, leave a comment below and let me know how self hypnosis has helped you in your own life. I love to hear your stories and connect with you on this amazing journey. Thanks for watching. Peace.